Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
Hi everyone, I'm David.
And I'm Alice.
Today, we're going to learn English while cleaning our home.
Listen carefully and repeat after us to improve your English speaking skills.
I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. I open the window for fresh air. I open the window for fresh air. I sweep the floor in the living room. I sweep the floor in the living room. I wipe the table in the kitchen. I wipe the table in the kitchen. I wash the dirty dishes. I wash the dirty dishes. I clean the kitchen counter. I clean the kitchen counter. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I vacuum the carpet. I vacuum the carpet. I dust the shelves in my room. I dust the shelves in my room. I clean the mirror in the bathroom. I clean the mirror in the bathroom. I scrub the sink. I scrub the sink. I clean the bathtub. I clean the bathtub. I mop the hallway floor. I mop the hallway floor. I organize my closet. I organize my closet. I fold my clean clothes. I fold my clean clothes. I put my clothes in the washing machine. I put my clothes in the washing machine. I iron my shirt. I iron my shirt. I clean the stove after cooking. I clean the stove after cooking. I water the plants on the balcony. I water the plants on the balcony. I put everything back in its place. I put everything back in its place.
Great job!
Did you repeat all the sentences with us?
Tell us your favorite sentence in the comments.
Like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone!